Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here with a new tutorial on how we can make this romantic mini album. It's very easy and simple, and if you are a beginner, this is exactly what you need to learn step by step how you can create your album to keep your memories. To make this beautiful mini album, I used the paper collection Flower Alphabet by Stamperia. To make the base of the album, we're gonna need two medium weight chipboards that measure 15 by 15 centimeters and one piece 2.5 by 15 centimeters. Its thickness is 1.5 mm. For the spine, I always use duct tape to secure my covers, and I'm doing that to avoid the paper cracking. I am now cutting the decorative papers for the covers. And I'm gonna need two pieces 17 by 18.5 centimeters. And one piece 2.7 by 14.5 centimeters for the spine. I prefer to use double-sided tape, but you can also use your liquid glue as well. Now for the inside I'm going to cut two pieces 14.5 by 14.5. I would like to round the corners a little bit, so I use my punch for that. Now we are going to make marks for the holes. The first mark is on 2.5 centimeters and the second mark on 12.5. We repeat the marks and trace a line. Now we mark on 7 millimeters on the tracing line, one on the left and one on the right. I am using a T ruler to be sure that my lines are straight, so I am going to mark again on 7 millimeters. Take a closer look, it must be like that. I'm using my crocodile to punch the holes. Now I use 4 eyelets just to make it look more interesting, but if you don't have eyelets, it's okay. It's time to cut the inside pages. I turned the paper because I didn't want to cut the flowers, and I cut on 29 centimeters. I turn the paper again and cut on 14.5 and again on 14.5. We follow the same steps on all the 4 scrapbook papers we need in total. We fold them in half, and after that we are going to divide them again in half to make the 2 signatures for the album. We have to cut the edges using a cutting knife and a ruler, because in this way the edges are going to be straight. I am using again my round corner punch. I mark to make the holes on the signatures. I am using two binder clips to secure my pages. For the binding, I am going to use a lace, and I use a needle just to make my life easier, but you can pass the lace or whatever you choose for your binding without the needle. I am going to make two pockets and I need two pieces 14.5 by 7 centimeters. I am using a border punch for the two pockets. For the decoration of the cover, I am going to stick a tag. And here, as you can see, I am using heavy body gel to stick my flowers because I wanted to arrange them in a way that I can put my leaves later. Heavy body gel doesn't dry fast, so this is good for me. Two small butterflies for the end and some brightness, of course, with glitter. That was the tutorial for today. I hope you found it interesting, easy and simple. Write me your comments down below. See you next time. Bye!